Shivaji University, Kolhapur has been prescribed a syllabus for BA third year Special English Structure and Function for Modern English. In this syllabus, we have a topic, and the topic's name is words. Words can be divided into two parts. One of them is open words. It is also known creative words. Second one is closed word. Open words we have four categories: noun, adjective, adverb, and verb. These are known open words. Open words can be studied into three categories: functions, structure, and meaning. These are the three categories are useful for the study of open words. Noun is here. Noun can be studied into three categories. Function. Noun acts as a head of NP. It acts as such as SOC and sometimes A. It is also a particular structure. In the structure, we have prefixes and suffixes for the creation of noun. Here we consider suffixes. Some suffixes are for the creation of noun, such as ity, ian, ion, wsion, ment. These are the suffixes which are known for the creation of the noun. Some nouns are at a meaning level. Meaning levels are such as proper noun, common noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, abstract noun. These are the types of the meaning level noun. We have another category, that is the adjective. Adjective can act as a head of AJP. It acts as complement, sometimes complement in the sentence, sometimes it is the prefix premodifier of our noun. Adjective can be studied at our structural level. It has some structure. It can carry some suffixes such as sometimes IVE, sometimes AL, sometimes FUL, and sometimes we have LEWS. These are the suffixes. It is also at a meaning level. Meaning level we have, for example, it is useful for some at a meaning level. Psychological level, for example, mental. This word is related to the psychology. It is also related to the shape, form, for example, color. These are the words which are related to your meaning level. Adverb. Adverb is also a part of word. It has three criteria. First criteria is we can say function we have for our adverb is always act as a in the sentence. Adverb has a particular our suffix, and that suffix is only one, that is ly is only suffix for the creation of the adverb. Next, meaning level we have different types of our adverb, such as, for example, first time, then place, condition, contrast. So it is are the these are known as a particular at a meaning level. We have closed word. Closed words are also known as a non-creative words. These closed words known such as determiners. Determiners we have example a and the. Then we have another pronouns. Pronouns we can have for example he, she, it. Then we have another preposition. Preposition, for example, we have about, into, in, out of, over, through. All these are the example of preposition. Conjunction. Conjunctions we have some example. It is a related to the to join two sentences, two words, and two phrases. We have the some conjunction which are known coordinator and but or, and some subordinate conjunction is also there: fair, which, when, where, if, though, although. These are the coordinating sums are known as a subjective. Another is interjection. Oh, aha, wow. These are the interjection. Another is operator verb. Operator verb means our auxiliary verb. Am, is, are, was, were, can, could, may, might. These are auxiliary verb. And lastly, enumerator words. Enumerators, it is related to the numbering, counting. It is called enumerators, such as 1, 2, 3, 4 as a cardinal number, ordinal number, first, second, third, fourth, and some general numbers, next, previous. These are the types of our parts of our words. So we can conclude here, these are the two types of our part of speech at a study level for our third year. Thank you.